What is up? Got a little pantry project going to start today. Going to turn the pantry from this, which is quite a bit of a mess, into something hopefully more functional. We'll see what turns out, see how it goes. No idea. Maybe the first time doing that. All right, so phase one of the pantry is done. So the pantry's been cleaned out and kind of boxed out. And I'll show you what I mean by boxed out. All the shelves have been removed, and I built a solid surface from the floor up, almost all the way up to the top of the door frame. Removed part of the door frame right here, all the way down, and the plan is to put in actual slides and make shelf slides that come all the way out. So with that, on to the next step. Well, I skipped quite a bit of the build out for the pantry shelves or the slide outs, but we do have a finished product now. So it turned out really nice, and so here's what it looks like. All of the shelves, the last I showed was the cabinets or the pantry boxed out. Now it's all completed, painted. Still the door off, but just because I just put the drawers in. I'm calling that a success. I think it turned out fantastic. In addition to the pantry, in the same time frame, did a little bonus project, and that bonus project is right here, and it is actually some slide outs, or I'm not even sure what you call them, dividers, I guess, for above the oven. It was just one big open space, which was not very functional, but now it can have pans and cookie sheets and whatever else up there.